All right, we are on the last day of our Lego challenge, number 22. It is right before Passover, Pesach 2020. We're finishing up our Jbrick challenge sheet, hashtag Jbrick challenge, which is, today is build a Bedikas Chametz kit. 10 pieces of Lego bread, feather, candle, wooden spoon. I did the spoon in a bag of 10 Lego pieces. I didn't do all of them, but you guys can do the other ones. So these are just 10 random Lego bread pieces. The wooden spoon, I'll show you really quick how to do it, is 1x2x5 Lego brick with a couple of cheese slopes on top, added to another one, and a couple of 1x2x2 slopes. That's the handle. The spoon part of it, I don't have these all in tan, so I did it with what I have. That's black. We have a couple of 2x4 tiles, 1x4 tiles, which are locking all of these brackets together. There's two 2x2 brackets here, and then a couple of 1x2 down brackets. The side of the spoon is basically 1x3 curve slope with another 1x3 curve slope and a 1x2 door rail piece, which kind of covers up that black on the bottom, kind of blends it together a little bit. So those are the two sides, and then of course they have these 1x2 brackets. On the corners, I added an extra 1x1 plate so that it will kind of blend the inside together to all be the same color. Otherwise, you'd see tan poking through. The front of the spoon is basically the same, except it is a 1x4 curve slope, again with that 1x2 door rail. And that's pretty much the whole thing. And then we just attach the handle. And you can get a feather and sweep them in and put them into your bag. And that's my build. I'd like to wish you all a happy Pesach, happy, healthy Passover to all of you. You can send in your entries to info@jbrick.com. I hope you enjoyed this challenge. Please tell us what you think. If you would like more challenges, Jbrick Education is committed to helping our children learn in the best way possible, motivated through a very popular brand named Lego. So that's what we use, Lego brand bricks, and we bring the education to you. Hopefully you've benefited from this. We will see you all next time. Happy building.